It's important to note that any Insight managed Schwab account will already be pre populated and it will sync into your Insight client portal. To add an external account, such as a 401k from an employer, start at the home page, Add Account, go to Investments, "401k", and add your information in here. Current market value, the employer, and if you have any questions, you can let us know if you don't know how to fill all of this out, because it is required. One thing to note is since this is a manually added account, you will have to update the market value. Once all of this information is filled out, click Save and Close. You've now added your first manual external account.